Welcome to DC Home Remodeling, your trusted partner for all your home renovation needs. Are you ready to transform your house into the home of your dreams? Look no further. Here at DC Home Remodeling, we bring your visions to life with expertise, quality craftsmanship, and a commitment to your satisfaction. We provide services such as design and build, new home construction, residential architecture, interior design, home addition, home remodeling, kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, concrete work, masonry work, deck and porch installation, siding installation, roof replacement, flooring, HVAC replacement, cabinet and countertop, and more. At DC Home Remodeling, our commitment to quality craftsmanship not only ensures customer satisfaction, but also leads to increased property value, making your dream home a reality. We have more than 500 references available for you to review and assess the quality of our work. We are fully licensed and insured, providing you with the security and protection you deserve. With DC Home Remodeling, you're not just enhancing your living space, you're also increasing your property value. Ready to embark on your home remodeling journey? Visit our website at www.dchomeremodeling.com or contact us today at 703-980-3266. DC Home Remodeling, where dreams meet reality. Your home, our passion.